What's up, guys? Let's go vending machine shopping. I got 60 bucks. Let's see what our options are today. I gotta spend all 60 here. See if we can get a win. Should just play a $50 ticket. But, Texas needs those machines where you can cash your tickets if you're gonna get more tickets. Let's see. Let's get an instant millionaire. I seen somebody won 1,000 on this ticket, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. And let's get 2 different $5 tickets. Get a couple of these bucks and trucks. And let's see, we got 10 bucks left. Let's get 2 jackpots. Let's go scratch some tickets, see if we can win. Alright, this is what I got out the vending machine. I got $60 worth. Let's see if I picked any good tickets today. We're going to start with the $200,000 jackpot tickets. We got number 66 and 67. We are looking for a 2x or a 5x multiplier on these tickets. So let's see. Can we get lucky today? And we didn't find any multipliers on this one. Number 24, don't have it. Number 16, 35, we got no 35. Number 12. Last number on this one is 26. Well, we got a second chance entry, but we got no win on ticket 66. So that one, let's try 67. All right, no multipliers. Let's see, do we have 16 on this one? We do, we got to win. 23, no 23. Number 1, 11, and 30. Well, just to match at number 16. Hey, we got $5, so we got something back on the jackpots. All right, bucks and trucks. We got the early part, 6 and 7. Chevy symbol's instant win. If we find that wheel symbol, it's a double. Guess we're not gonna bust out of the vending machine. I haven't had much luck lately picking tickets, so I just hope we can still get back more than that $5. All right, we got no symbols on this one. Number 28, we don't have 28. Number 20, no 20. 41, and a 19, and the last number is a 3. All right, we got no 3. Anything in the bonus? All right, well, that one is a second chance entry. And let's try ticket number 7. Alright, we got no symbol. I still haven't found the Chevy symbol, but I have found the wheel a few times. No 13. 33. We don't have 33. Number 46. Nope. 35. And our last number is 49. We don't have it. So anything up in the bonus? All right, well, we got no win on our bucks and trucks. We should have left those in the machine. All right, extreme luck. So we did get 2 of these, 7 and 8. We're looking for a 7 symbol. To win 5 times, we get a double 7. We win all 25 prizes. no 7. Number 25. We don't have a 25. Number 60. Nope. 65. Number 34. 24. Number 9. Do we have a 9? Got a 1, 2, 5. Got an 8. No, 9. Number 32. Well, last number is 23. Don't see a 23. Well, taking number 7 on our extreme luck ain't a win. Let's see, was it a good decision to get 2 of these? I'm not sure which one came out first or second though. Right, we got no 7s on this one. Let's see, can we get a match? 61. No 61. How about a 40? 68. No 68. 29. How about 38? We have 38. We got no 38. 2 more numbers. 65. And last chance is 15. And well, a $10 choice wasn't a good one. Let's see. Instant Millionaire. Ticket number 2, Money Back Crown, or a 10x symbols. Let's see, can we match a number? Number 22. No, 22. 41. Got 31, 21, no 41. Number 9. Don't see it. 11. 11, no 11. How about 33? Last chance is 45. We got 43, 48, 44, and a 40. Let's see, anything in the bonus quick wins, strawberries and a lightning bolt, horseshoe and a pineapple, a wishbone and a Hartwell, vending machine, or over the counter. Either way, my luck ain't there at the moment. So we got $5 back though. So hey, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next video.